Okay, before you guys read, I will do some explaining. Up to here, you have no choice. You have to remember everything here. You have to read this and you have to understand. There is nothing to understand here. You just have to remember that bull, feminine gender is cow, sir, ma'am. There is no rule here. Everything is just words and there is no rules between them. So it is like
Sir,
that.
first देखि पर्ने हो र?
I don't think that is going to be difficult. No, I'm just explaining. But here there are rules. You add ESS at the end of the word, you get feminine gender. If you add ESS in the masculine gender, you get feminine gender. That is a rule. So now this rule is very good up to here. Now, when you get here, down here, you have to remove one vowel and then add ESS, because when you have ER or OR at last, OR or ER at last, most of the time what is happening, this E is getting removed. This E is getting removed and you're adding ESS here. So that is what is happening in all the words except impress. In imperer, if you see, it's completely new word again. ESS is there, but it's not just.
Sir, sir, अनि यो
what is mean by
यसमा चाहिँ
this?
किन उ त्यो के भन्छ ES हो कि
Sir, what is mean by that?
Okay, I'll explain what that is. First, let me talk about the rules and I'll explain that. So here there is two vowel removed, right? Is also removed, OR is also removed, and only RESS ESS is added when two vowels are removed. And here also it's a different thing. Duke had changed into Dutch, and ESS is there, but
अनि उयो के भन्छ यो DUKE मा चाहिँ KE मात्रै हट्छ हो?
no. There is CH आएको छ KE हटेर. So it's a you have to remember.
Sir, I mean here के
Sir, this.
Yes.
के माथि लेख्छ कि?
Sir,
Yes.
sir, your sound is not coming.
Okay, now I'm speaking and still my sound is coming. There is a problem, Rihanna. Can you rejoin? Rihanna, rejoin. If my sound is not coming, you are not listening.
Sir,
Yeah.
your sound is not coming.
Okay, what should I do then? I will speak in sign language.
Sir, draw it. Excuse me, sir.
Rejoin.
Draw it. Draw. Sir,
Draw.
rejoin. Sir, right.
Hey, draw here. Okay, sorry. I was doing it with my
Sir, your sound is not coming.
Rejoin गर न त.
I am Lata.
Sir.
I know, get it. I get it. Rejoin.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, Rihanna, rejoin.
एकछिन सर.
साउन्ड सुने छैन रिजोइन भनेको नि सुन्दैन त
Yes, so that's why I'm to write it down. Rejoin Rihanna. Rejoin Rihanna. Okay,
सर यहाँ रिजोइन भन्नु पर्ने नि के rejoin?
it is recorded. It is recorded. Okay, we should now. Okay. Okay, these are the rules, and these two are the exceptions. Right? The emperor and duke don't follow the rule. Other six follow. In this also, master has changed. To mistress. Master has changed.
Mistress.
सर DUKE डुक माथि के हट्छ कि के हट्छ त्यो मलाई आएन भने यहाँ.
हेर्नुस् न के भएको छ हेर्नुस् त यही त छ जे हुन्छ यही हुन्छ यी यु क्यान लुक हियर यहाँ के भयो
के हट्छ
के थप्नुपर्छ अनि केलाई एस बोले दिन्छ नि
के पनि हट्छ यी पनि हट्छ सी र एच आउँछ सो इट्स लाइक दिस आई हैव नथिङ टु से हैव टु अन्डरस्ट्यान्ड रिमेम्बर दिस यु जस्ट हैव टु रिमेम्बर दिस वर्ड्स है देयर इज मास्टर चेन्ज इन्टु मिस्ट्रेस है इट्स नट मास्ट्रेस
Sir,
मिस्ट्रेस
can you say these? Sir, can you say the meaning of
राइट
these
निग्रो
words?
भनेको
Okay.
के हो के?
Yes, these are the words that follow the rules. Now I will talk about some which does not follow the rules. And if you look at these down ones, you can say that
Sir,
this.
what is meant by higher and heiress?
I will tell you, Giant. Wait, I'm saying I'll tell you. I'll come to the meaning. I'm talking about the rules.
Sir, these
Yes.
are these. Sir, these are these.
Sir,
Yes. Please mute everyone. You're not helping. You're just disturbing. Okay. Yes, Rihanna. What is it?
sir, I have also diary. My net was gone, so I was late.
Okay, Rihanna. So I'm so sorry I didn't ask you. Okay, Rihanna will. Okay, let me finish this.
What about that?
Let you share your diary. Okay, Rihanna. I will let you share. Don't worry.
Next class मा भन्नु न सर.
Okay, Liana has some problem. Light gone. Light gone. Oh my God, Liana's light has gone. Okay, Liana, light gone. All right, this happens in Nepal. Don't worry.
एक्सक्युज मी सर सर
Everything will
लियाना लेखेको सर लियानाले लेखेको त मैले केही नि बुझ्दिनँ
Okay,
Yes,
it's
sir,
just
you
our secret language. I and Liana only understand. You don't need to read.
Sir, I think sir,
Okay, mute. Again, you are not helping. Mute. Okay, so mute everyone. All right, and in this case, you can see only the part of the noun has changed. Milkman is milkmaid. Grandfather, grandmother. Peacock. It's not woman, right? Milk woman is not correct. Milkmaid. Landlord, landlady, and you can see lord will change into lady. Eh? If someone asks you what is the feminine gender of lord, it's lady. And
Sir, but what is this? I don't
वाटर लेडी
understand this
पनि
word.
हुन्छ हो त
I will tell you the
Sir,
word
I
meaning.
don't understand sea bear, sea bear.
Sea bear is
I know only bear.
सर वाटर लेली हुन्छ त
Call bear?
it's a gall bear, and water lily is not. I don't know what that is. Plants don't have
सर आई एम सेइङ लेडी
Sir, what is in by this? Sir, what
water
is
lady.
in
Udhar.
by-
Water maid, water man, and water maid. Okay, I will come to the meaning. I am repeating again and again. I'll come to the meaning. Don't worry. I'm going to tell you the meanings, all of it. If you want me to tell of, meaning of everything, I'm going to come and tell you the meaning. I'm just talking about how we do this. Okay, so hero will be heroine. So this is an interesting thing. He goat and she goat. It's boka and bakra. He goat, she goat, right? He bear, she bear. Boy, he bear, girl, she bear. Buffalo also same, hey? He buffalo, she buffalo. He is
Sir, ox also?
she.
Sir, ox को चाहिँ के भन्छ ox र cow हुन्छ है?
Ox is bull. Ox is a type of a bull, right? Ox is a bull. When you do something to bull, bull becomes ox. If you do something to goat, it will become, khasi. Same kind of things. I asked in detail about that.
एक्सक्युज मी सर
Sir, मैले खसीले के भन्छ वेट के भन्छ अस्ति मैले
Yes.
सर
के भन्छ अस्ति है म के भन्छ खसीको पुच्छर चलेर
सर ये ही गोट
चाहिँ
सी गोट
He goat or she goat, what?
सर सर
Yes. What is it?
सर
Yes.
सर सर ये ही गोट र सी गोट एकदम फनी छ भनेको के
Okay. Yes. Everything is funny. Everything is funny. When you look at it in an angle. Everything is funny.
हुँदैन मलाई त के भन्छ अस्ति मेरो
Mute. Wait, I'll come to that all. I just have to finish this and listen to Rihanna's diary, and again I'll tell you the meanings. So wait, right? I'll just come back. Okay, hero. I don't think you have to. It's a simple thing, Mr. Mrs. But you don't write Mr. Right? You write Mr. and Mrs. is MRS. Widower, widow. Male is widower, right? Female is widow. Here it's female is short. Most of the time female is long, but in these three cases, female is
what is
short.
mean by widow?
Bidwa. If it is male bidwa whose wife has died, widower. If your husband has died, female.
सर
Bridegroom, dula. Bridegroom means dula.
Sir.
Bride is dulai. Okay. Now I will come to tell you the meaning of all, and then
सर
let
सर
Rihanna.
what is mean by this sir what is mean by this
Bidwa keta. So if your wife dies, you are a widower. If your wife dies, you are a widower. If your husband dies, you are a widow.
sir and what is mean by this sir and what is
I'll
mean by
come
this?
tell you everything now. Wait. No need to ask. We all know what. Please mute. Please mute. Please mute yourself. You're not helping. Please mute. Okay. So princess, I hope you know what that is, eh? Rajkumar, Rajkumari. Count is a member of a king's council, eh? If a king has a meeting, king has ministers in his council. So everyone who attends king's meeting is called counts. So those people, if it is a male, count. If it is a female, countess. If you're a king's, senapati and all that kind of things where they sit in a meeting, those people are called count. Will suggest king in different things. And priest is pujari. Priest is pujari, priestess is a female pujari. Please don't write in the screen. I'm going to come and tell you the meaning. This is irritating me.
Sir, where is this? Sir, midday now.
Okay, I'm going to. Okay, now hair means this is not hair, right? This is air. H is silent, so air. So air means if okay, you have to imagine something. Right? If I have lots of property, I die. Okay, I have property and then I die. Lots of property, like I'm richest man, and then I die. All my money will go to my heir. So the one who will get my property after I die is my heir. Do you get that? If it is a girl, she is yes. If it is a boy or a male he is mute. Yeah, mute. Okay, only mute. So if it is so heir is someone who gets your property after you die. So if someone gets your property after you die, you call that person your heir. If it is a female, heiress. So the one who gets the money or house or land, whatever you have after you die, the one who gets your property is called your heir. So in generally, it's your son and daughter. So most of the time, but sometimes it's your wife. So it can be sometimes it's your husband. So it can be many different things.
Sir.
Means the one who gets the
Sir,
property.
excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Sir, sir.
Sir, I come on laptop is switch off.
Okay.
Sir.
Yes, Jayant.
Sir, why I can use internet? You have off the internet.
Okay, please don't use it. Even if you can, don't use it. Okay.
Sir, internet ayo pagna sir pagna.
Mute, please, mute. And let me finish this. Lion, you know what lion is? Host is opposite of guest, right? If you're guest at someone's house, that someone is your host. If you come to my house as a guest, I am your host. If I am female, I am hostess. Host is opposite of guest. If you're going to someone's house, that person is your host. So most of the time in programs, in TV programs, if someone comes...
Sir, you are also the host of this meeting.
Yes, host is the one who will invite other people or, welcome other people. Poet is the one who writes poem. Poetess is a female poet. If a female writes a poem, it's poetess. Author is a writer of a book. Author of a book is a writer of a book. So if it is female, it's authoress. So in this authoress, you have to remember, hey, in all where there is OR, O will go and ESS will come. Director, look at this. But in author, O will remain. In author, O will not go. Hey, look at this. In director, O will go and directress will come. In case of author, authoress. Okay. So that is the meaning of these words. Tiger, waiter is the one who waits on the table in restaurant. You take your order. If it is a girl, waitress. Master is Malik, right? In English, master means Malik. Mistress is Malik. Oh, Budi, I don't know what that is. Malikni, I think. Right? So, Emperor.
Sir, yes, my Malikni.
Yes, yes. Yes, Yuvika. Go to toilet. Not allowed. Okay. Now next is emperor. Emperor is a big great king, right?
Sir, can you...
Great kingdom. If you have a great kingdom, you are Samrat,
Sir,
not Raja.
my stepfather?
I will come there. I'll come there, Giant. I will come there. I'll get there. Wait, I'm just getting through all of it. I'll come there. So, emperor is great king. Empress is great queen, not great queen. So if you have a great land and your empress means emperor's wife, or emperor means empress husband. So, okay, director, a film has a director who will direct each and every scene, how the actors will work. The one who controls that director. If it is a girl, directress.
I record.
Yes, I'm recording. No, I am not. Yes, I am. Hunter is Sikari. Hunter, female Sikari. Negro means black people. Black people are African people, Negro. And please, Negro does not mean us. Hey, we are not Negros. Even if you are black, we are called brown. The black people in our country, they are not black, they are brown. So real black people are in Africa, and it's a difference, right? There is a difference between Negro and those black people that you see in Tarai region of our country.
सर अनि छ नि
They are
सेतो
not black,
भयो
they are
भने नि
brown.
सेतो चाहिँ के
Seto, I don't know. I will find a word for you. Caucasian, maybe. Okay, Negro, Negres. Duke. Duke is in a literal meaning, Duke is a person selected by a king to rule over certain place. Okay, in England or countries, European countries, they have Duke. So a king will select a person to rule over a small part of the kingdom. That person is called Duke. And if it is a lady, if it is a female, Duchess. So there is a difference here, right? Duke and Duchess, they sound completely different, but they are male and female gender of same thing. Okay, now we come to milkman. Milkman is the person who brings milk at your house. If she is a female, she is milkmaid. You know, grandfather, grandmother. I don't have to tell you that. Landlord means gharpeti. Landlord is gharpeti. If it is a female, landlady, gharpeti, gharpeti, ama, gharpeti ba, you know.
नि यहाँ ल्यान्डलर्ड पनि छ हाम्रो घर हाम्रो नेबरमा ल्यान्डलर्ड पनि छ ल्यान्ड
सर मैले नेबर चाहिँ सुनेको छु तर ल्यान्डलर्ड ल्यान्डलेडी चाहिँ फर्स्ट टाइम सुनेको छु
Okay, landlord and landlady is gharpeti ba and gharpeti ama. Okay.
what's up ल्यान्डलर्ड त भगवान जस्तै लाग्यो मम्मो
Okay, wait, I'll come to that. He goat, she goat, boka, bakra. Okay, peacock and peahen. So peacock is like cock and hen. Male and female of peacock. Stepson means, okay, not your real son. Hey, if you married a woman and that woman has a son, not your son, that woman had another husband, maybe that husband died or left her, they had divorced. So stepson means sauteli chora. It's not your wife's son, not your son, but your stepson. Stepdaughter means same. You're not your daughter, but your wife's daughter. Okay, your wife's daughter, your wife gave birth to that daughter, but it's not your daughter, right? So that is called stepson and stepdaughter. Or if you're a girl, then your husband's daughter, your husband's son, not your son. So in that way, you call them stepson and stepdaughter. And stepfather means not your father. Your mother married him, but he's not your real father. So that is stepfather. And stepmother is also same thing. Your father married her, but she is not your real mother.
सर सौतेनी मम्मी र सौतेनी फादर के हुन्छ
Daddy, okay. Sauteli daddy.
सर
Awkward.
सर यो त जेठीले बिहा गरेको कान्छीलाई
Okay, yeah, that case also. That is.
सर अनि त्यसपछि तिनीहरुको बच्चाले
Jeji Kanchi, if you're talking about polygamy, if you're marrying 2-3, then yeah, that can also happen. It's not legal though. Police lai bhandiyo भने समाज if you have Jeji Kanchi. So shh.
सर सुन
Okay.
समाजले हेप्छ है
Okay, that's strong. All right. We are not going to make this social studies. Okay, he bear. He bear is, bear is Balu. He bear is a male, and she bear is a female bear. Okay, I think I have already talked about hero and heroine. Hero and heroine is a protagonist of a movie or something.
सर हिरो
Something great.
सर हिरो हिरोइन
Mr. and Mrs. is just an address for male and female in English, standard address. Mr. Pratikokshasta, Mrs. I don't know, Mrs. Pratikokshasta is not there. So, okay. Bridegroom. Bridegroom means dula. Groom is dula. Bride is dulai. Dulai and dula. So, the one who are getting married.
सर अनि त्यसको छ नि
Yes.
उयो के भन्छ ब्राइड ग्रुम जस्तै दुला भयो भने चाहिँ नि उयो फिमेलमा चाहिँ ब्राइड ग्रुम
Bride matra. खै अब किन हुँदैन त I don't know. It's just bride. Is that okay?
सर साइन्समा त ग्रुम छुट्टै हुन्छ है
केटा भन्दा ठुलो सानो के हुन्छ त्यो
मोबाइल स्विच अफ भएको थियो
Okay.
एक्सक्युज मी सर
Yes. Yes, Jay.
सर साइन्समा ग्रुम भनेको छुट्टै हुन्छ है भनेको सफा गर्नु
Yes. Groom can be a different thing. Groom in science and even in English it can be, if it is a verb, it's a different thing. Widower is bidwa. Widow is bidwa. Widower is if your husband dies, you are a widow. If your wife dies, you are a widower. Right? So keta jasko chai wife bita cha, we call that widower. Widower. केटा चाहिँ widow is girl whose husband has died. Okay, so bidwa and bidur, I think bidur, not bidur, sorry, bidur, another bidur. Okay, now next.
Sir, can you remove this? Sir, I mistakenly done it.
Okay, now everyone listen to Rihanna's diary. Rihanna, share your diary. And please take screenshot of this. Try to remember.
Sir, are you recording?
Okay, I will just stop recording.